Let's talk about television in Russia. Did you know that TV in Russia is similar to TV in other European countries? We didn't know what to expect when we read the program guide. Then we saw Russian versions of lots of familiar shows. Russian TV also has a lot of soap operas, and we even recognized some soaps from the UK. Russian television has a lots of channels on air, which are both public and private. One of the most popular channels is Channel 1. You can see the voice there. We saw lots of adverts for variety shows and comedy shows. These are very popular. Russians really like to laugh, and they enjoy watching funny sketches and stand-up comedians. Of course, there are also lots of American and European films on TV. In fact, there are so many different types of programs that it is hard to choose.